The number of accidents in a year to taxi drivers in a city follows a Poisson distribution with mean 3. Out of 1000 taxi drivers, find approximately the number of the drivers with first case no accident in a year, second case more than 3 accidents in a year. So here X denotes number of accidents in a year. So X denotes the Poisson variate. X denotes number of accidents in a year. Now mean accidents or average accidents in a year is, so average accidents in a year or mean accidents in a year is 3. So M equals 3. So by Poisson distribution we have P of x equals e power minus m into m power x by x factorial, or m power x into e power minus m by x factorial. So put m equals 3. So 3 power x into e power minus 3 by x factorial. So e power minus 3 you can calculate, it is 0.05, or you can calculate it later using the calc, it is left to you. So now P of x equals e power minus 3 0.05 into 3 power x by x factorial. Now first case, no accidents in a year. So no accident in a year means we have to put x equals 0. No accident in a year. So put x equals 0. So P of 0 equals 0.05 into 3 power 0 by 0 factorial. So 3 power 0 is 1, 0 factorial is 1. So we have 0.05. So no accident in a year, probability of no accident in a year is 0.05. So now we have to calculate the probability for 1000 drivers. So now we have to calculate the probability for 1000 drivers. So number of drivers out of 1000, with no accident, in a year equals, so multiply by 1000. So 1000 into 0.05. So this is equal to 50. So out of 1000 drivers, 50 drivers will have no accidents. So now second case, probability of more than 3 accidents in a year. So probability of more than 3 accidents in a year means it is P of x greater than 3. P of x greater than 3. So it is P of x greater than 3 means we have to calculate P of x equals 4 plus P of x equals 5 plus P of x equals 6. More than 3 accidents means so there can be 4 accidents in a year, there can be 5 accidents in a year, there can be 6 accidents in a year. So it continues. So instead of finding P of x greater than 3, find its complement, that is 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 3. So less than or equal to 3 means, so P of x equals 0 plus P of x equals 1 plus P of x equals 2 plus P of x equals 3. So P of x equals 0 means there no accident, P of x equals 1 means there can be 1 accident, P of x equals 2 means 2 accidents in a year, P of x equals 3 means 3 accidents in a year. So now P of 0 means e power minus 3 power 0 by 0 factorial plus P of 1 means, so e power minus 3 power 1 by 1 factorial plus P of 2 means e power minus 3 power 2 by 2 factorial plus P of 3 means e power minus 3 power 3 cube by 3 factorial. So now e power minus 3 is common. So the value of e power minus 3 is 0.05. Already we have calculated e power minus 3 is common, it is e power minus 3 is 0.05. Now the remaining terms are 3 power 0 is 1, 0 factorial is 1, so it is 1. Then 3 by 1 factorial, that is 3. Then 3 square by 2 factorial is 9 by 2, that is 4.5, plus 3 cube by 3 factorial, 27 by 6. 27 by 6 is 4.5. So on simplifying we get 0.35. So probability of more than 3 accidents in a year is 0.35. So now we have to calculate for 1000 drivers. So now we have to calculate what is the probability of more than 3 accidents in a year for 1000 drivers. So number of drivers out of 1000. So number of drivers out of 1000 with more than 3 accidents in a year. So number of drivers out of 1000 with more than 3 accidents in a year is 1000 into 0.35, that is 350. So 350 drivers will have more than 3 accidents in a year. %2 of the fuses manufactured by a firm are found to be defective. Find the probability that a box containing 200 fuses contains, first case no defective fuses, second case 3 or more defective fuses. So now here, so X denotes the number of defective fuses. So the Poisson variate, X denotes the number of defective fuses. So 2% of the fuses manufactured by a firm are defective. So 2% of the fuses manufactured by a firm are defective, and box contains 200 fuses. So P, probability of a defective fuse is 2%, that is 2 by 100. Probability of a defective fuse is 2%, that is 2 by 100, which is equal to 0.02. Now box contains 200 fuses, so n equals 200. Then mean number of defective fuses or average number of defective fuses, that is you can take mu or m also. In some of the textbooks they have taken mu. So m equals n into p. So what is n? Box contains 200 fuses, so n equals 200. So now 200 into total number of fuses, box contains 200 fuses, so 200 into probability of defective fuses, 0.02. So that is 4. So m equals 4. Now by Poisson distribution, we know the probability function, that is P of x equals m power x into e power minus m by x factorial. So what is m? M is 4. So P of x equals 4 power x e power minus 4 by x factorial. But e power minus 4 is 0.0183. So therefore P of x is 0.0183 into 4 power x by x factorial. Now first case, probability of no defective fuse. Probability of no defective fuse, that is we have to take x equals 0. So P of x equals 0 is, put x equals 0, we get 0.0183. So 4 power 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. So that is 0.0183. So probability of no defective fuse is 0.0183. Second case, probability of 3 or more defective fuses. Probability of 3 or more defective fuses. So that is 3 or more means 3 or more than 3. So P of x greater than or equal to 3. So P of x greater than or equal to 3 means we have to calculate P of x equals 3 plus P of x equals 4 plus P of x equals 5 up to P of x equals 200. So it becomes very lengthy, we can't calculate. So take its complement, that is 1 minus P of x less than 3. So P of x greater than or equal to 3 is 1 minus P of x less than 3. So 1 minus P of x equals 0 plus P of x equals 1 plus P of x equals 2. So that is 1 minus, so P of x equals 0 already we have calculated 0.0183. In the first case we have calculated P of x equals 0. So 0.0183 plus P of x equals 1. So 0.0183 into 4 by 1 factorial plus then P of x equals to 0.0183 into 4 square by 2 factorial. So this is equal to 1 minus, so 0.0183 is common into 1 plus 4 square by 2 factorial, 16 by 2 is 8. So simplify using the calci, we get 0.7621. So probability of 3 or more defective fuses is 0.7621. If the probability of a bad reaction from a certain injection is 0.001, determine the chance that out of 2000 individuals, more than 2 will get a bad reaction. So in this problem, X denotes the number of individuals infected with bad reaction, and probability of a bad reaction is given, that is P equals 0.001. So now by Poisson distribution, the probability function P of x is m power x e power minus m by x factorial, where m is the mean. Now probability of a bad reaction is P. Probability of a bad reaction is P. P is 0.001, and how many individuals are given? 2000 individuals are given. So n equals 2000. Now mean is denoted by m or mu, that is m equals np. So 2000 into 0.001, that is 2. So the mean or average number of individuals infected, that is m, is 2. Now we have to find the number of individuals who are infected more than 2. So we have to find P of x greater than 2. We have to find P of x greater than 2. So P of x greater than 2 means we have to find P of x equals 2 plus P of x equals 3, P of x equals 4 up to P of x equals 2000. It is impossible to calculate each and every term. So take its complement, that is 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2. That is 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2 means P of x equals 0 plus P of x equals 1 plus P of x equals 2. So now one minus, so e power minus m is common in all the term. So take it outside, e power minus m. So the remaining term is e power m power x by x factorial. But what is x? X is 0. So m power 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. So that is 1. Then P of x equals 1 means m power 1 by 1 factorial plus x equals 2 means m power 2 by 2 factorial. Now m equals 2. So 1 minus of e power minus 2 into 1 plus 2 by 1 is 2 plus 2 square by 2 factorial, that is 4 by 2 is 2. So now 1 minus 1 plus 2 is 5, 5 into e power minus 2. So on simplifying we get probability of x greater than 2 is 0.3233. So probability of x greater than 2 means probability of 2 or more individuals infected by bad reaction is 0.3233. A communication channel receives independent pulses at the rate of 12 pulses per microsecond. The probability of transmission error is 0.001 per microsecond. Compute the probabilities of first case no error during a microsecond, second case 1 error per microsecond, third case at least 1 error per microsecond, fourth case 2 errors, fifth case at most 2 errors. So here the Poisson variate x denotes the transmission error. So a channel receives pulses at the rate of 12 pulses per microsecond. So mean number of error in 1 microsecond is mu equals m, which is equal to np. But what is n? So n is number of pulses received per microsecond is 12, that is n equals 12, and the probability of transmission error is 0.001. So probability of transmission error, that is p, is 0.001 and n equals 12. N equals 12 means 12 pulses per microsecond. So 12 into 0.001 is 0.012. So m equals 0.012. M means mean or average pulses per microsecond, that is 0.012. Then by Poisson distribution, the probability function p of x is m power x into e power minus m by x factorial, but m is 0.012. Now first case, probability of no error during a microsecond. So probability of no error during a microsecond means put x equals 0, that is m power 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. So e power minus m. So e power minus 0.012, that is equal to 0.988072. So you can keep this for 4 decimal places, that is 0.9881. Now second case, probability of 1 error per microsecond means put x equals 1. So p of x equals 1 is e power minus 0.012 into e power minus m is 0 e power minus 0.012 into m power x. So m power x is 0.012 whole power 1 by 1 factorial, which is equal to 0.01186. Now third case, probability of at least 1 error per microsecond. At least means minimum there should be 1 error or more than 1 error, and there can be more than 1 error also, but minimum there should be 1 error, means 1 and more than 1, that is probability of at least 1 error per microsecond equals probability of at least 1 error per microsecond equals P of x greater than or equal to 1, means we have to find P of x equals 1, P of x equals 2 up to P of x equals 12. So instead of that, take its complement, 1 minus P of x equals 0, that is 1 minus P of x equals 0 means e power minus 0.012, which is equal to 0.01193. Fourth case, probability of 2 errors, put x equals 2, so we get e power minus 0.012 into 0.012 whole square by 2 factorial. So after simplifying we get 0.000071. Now last case, probability of at most 2 errors. At most means maximum. There can be 2 errors and there can be less than 2 errors also. Maximum there can be 2 errors or less than 2 errors. That is, probability of at most 2 errors is equal to probability of x less than or equal to 2. So that is less than or equal to 2 means P of x equals 0 plus P of x equals 1 plus P of x equals 2. So now, so by substituting the values in the formula, so e power minus m is common. What is e power minus m? E power minus 0.012 is common into P of 0 means m power 0 by 0 factorial, that is 1, plus P of 1 means m power 1 by 1 factorial, that is 0.012, plus x equals 2 means m square by 2 factorial, that is 0.012 whole square by 2 factorial. So after simplifying we get 0.999999714. So this is approximately equal to 1. The probability that a newsreader commits no mistake in reading the news is 1 by e cube. Find the probability that on a particular news broadcast he commits, first case only 2 mistakes, second case more than 3 mistakes, third case at most 3 mistakes. So this problem is quite different when compared to the other problems, because here the probability that a newsreader commits no mistakes is already given, means so the probability at x equals 0 is already given in the problem. So using that we have to find the mean or the average mistake a newsreader commits. So using the probability at x equals 0 we have to find the mean or the average mistake the newsreader is going to commit. So that is probability at x equals 0 is 1 by e cube, that is e power minus 3. So by Poisson distribution, so that is we consider the Poisson distribution P of x equals m power x e power minus m by x factorial, where x denotes newsreader committing mistakes. X denotes committing a mistake by a newsreader. So x denotes committing a mistake by a newsreader, but here probability that a newsreader commits no mistake means at x equals 0. So putting x equals 0, so m power 0 is 1, e power minus m by 0 factorial. So it is given that probability of x equals 0 is given that e power minus 3, but P of x equals 0 means m power 0 is 1, e power minus m by 0 factorial is 1. So e power minus m equals e power minus 3, that is, so m equals 3. So m equals 3 means it is the average mistake the newsreader commits is 3. So now P of x equals, put m equals 3, e power minus 3 into 3 power x by x factorial. Now first case, probability of committing only 2 mistakes. Probability of committing only 2 mistakes. Means put x equals to, that is p of x equals to e power minus 3 into 3 square by 2 factorial. So on simplifying, use the calci, we get 0.22404. Now second case, probability of committing more than 3 mistakes. Probability of committing more than 3 mistakes. So that is p of x greater than 3. So p of x greater than 3 means we have to calculate p of x equals 4, px plus p of x equals 5 plus p of x equals 6 and so on. So it's impossible. So instead of that, take its complement, that is 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 3. That is 1 minus x less than or equal to 3 means p of 0 plus p of x equals 1 plus p of x equals 2 plus p of x equals 3. So this is equal to 1 minus, so in the formula e power minus m is common, e power minus m means e power minus 3. So now put x equals 0, 3 power 0 by 0 factorial is 1 plus 3 power 1 by 1 factorial is 3. Put x equals to 3 square by 2 factorial 9 by 2. Then put x equals 3, 3 cube by 3 factorial, that is 27 by 6. So this is equal to 1 minus e power minus 3 into 13. So that is 9 by 2 is 4.5, 27 by 6 is 4.5. So that is 13. So on calculating we get 0.3528. So third case, probability of committing at most 3 mistakes. Probability of committing at most 3 mistakes. So at most means maximum 3 mistakes or lesser than 3. So that is p of x less than or equal to 3. So x less than or equal to 3 means p of x equals 0 plus p of x equals 1 plus p of x equals 2 plus p of x equals 3. So already we have calculated in the previous second case, that is e power minus 3 into 13. So already we have calculated that in the second case. So p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3 is e power minus 3 into 13, that is 0.6472.